Hello everyone, how are you? So I thought to make this video to talk very quickly about your project that you're going to be the final project for this whole year for 2020 is for you to create either a poster or a book creator book about the holidays around the world that we talked about in December. So you can make a poster which is similar to the picture that you see here if you want. You can add pictures, draw shapes, and I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to put in it. Or you come to your library on Book Creator, and for example, here Emily and Maya have decided to work together. I'm not sure how, I'm waiting for them to tell me. I don't have a problem. You can decide if you want to work together. But remember, your book is not only about Hanukkah and it's not only about Kwanzaa, it's a book about holidays around the world in December. So you click on New Book. I'm going to choose Landscape. And I'm going to write the title just for now. Text. Holidays around the world in December. Or December holidays around the world, maybe. We'll see. I'm just going to put it, this is just an example, okay? So don't take it as a final project. Let me just add some symbols. So plus media import. And we talked about Kwanzaa. So do you remember the candle holder that we talked about? What was it called? Kinara. Let's see if I can find one. Oh, I can find one. I can find, this is cute. I'll use this one. How about the toy that we just created? The Jewish toy. Dreidel. Very good. So plus media import. Dreidel. Oops, what am I writing? Dreidel. Okay. Dreidel. Spinning all around. Okay, that's my dreidel. I can move it and make it like decide on the size, even if it's not. This is in front, so I'm going to bring this one in front. Right click, move to front. Okay. What else do I want? What else did we talk? Oh, Boxing Day. So I wonder if we can going to find a picture about that. Let's see. Boxing Day. Yeah, no, that's not the right one. Ooh, here. They're gifts, right? Yeah, that's the whole idea of Boxing Day. Do you remember? And finally, bring this to the front. And finally, I'm going to put a Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. A cartoon Christmas tree. I like choosing cartoon. So again, this is just the ones that we talked about. So we talked about Kwanzaa, Boxing Day, Hanukkah, and Christmas. Hanukkah, you can put the dreidel or you can put the menorah, if you remember, which is the candle light, but for Jewish people. Okay, so you're going to go to the next page and I would choose panels because I want to put, what did we say? Let me go to the seesaw task again. Hold on. Okay, so in the seesaw task, I said you need to collect holiday name, date of celebration, where is it celebrated, what kind of food is consumed, and what special artifacts do people use. Okay, so I'll come back to my book creator. So I need 5 panels per holiday. Do I have a one that has 5 panels? Yeah, actually I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I want one with the name of the holiday so I can design it how I want. So I'll take 6 panels. If I don't want to make the panel exactly identical, what you can do is you can change the shape of the panel. How you do that is you click on it, right click, unlock, and then ta-da! So for example, why did I do that? Undo. Let's change this one. For example, so you can click on it, right click, unlock, or click on it and come to the eye and unlock. Same thing. So I'm going to make it smaller and in the middle. Okay. And let's say that this is Hanukkah or Kwanzaa. I'm going to add a text and I'm going to write Kwanzaa. Put it in the middle. And then here I need to write, what was the first thing? Oh, holiday name, it's here. So, you know what? Since it is holiday name already included, how about we make them 5 panels instead of 6. So go back, whoops. Control Z, you can click Control, which is CTRL on the keyboard, and Z, the letter Z, and it will remove it. It's similar to undo. Okay. So I want to change the panel. Plus panels and 5. I don't know which one. 2, 4. I don't know. Let's choose this one for now. This one for now. So I'm going to write here Kwanzaa. That's, oh, this is 4. What am I don't know how to count apparently. Okay. Let's choose this one. I'm going to write Kwanzaa very big. Okay. And in here, I'm going to write the second one, which is date of celebration. So plus text date of celebration. Make it smaller and make it fit how you want. Okay. Okay. And then fill it in. And then you're going to do the other ones as well. So date of celebration, where is it celebrated, what kind of food is consumed. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have made some changes a little bit, just to give you some examples here. We have what special artifacts do people use? Remember the table that they have prepared with the cup of unity, kinara, fruit and vegetables, corn, the mat. I don't remember, are these all? Maybe. So instead of writing, I chose pictures to put. You can write also. Also, I want to change the background with the title because it's very boring if it's just white. So I downloaded this picture and I want to put it in the back. So I'm going to click on my panel, click here and go to Files, find the picture. Here it is. And then if I click it again and click on this, I can move it and change the size and do it however I want. I think I'm going to keep it like this, and I'm going to put the word Kwanzaa, tilt it this way, and put it like this, which is not bad. Yeah, I can change the color, make it look even nicer. I don't know, it depends. My point is, have the sections clear. Date of celebration, where is it celebrated, what kind of food is consumed, what special artifacts do people use, and people eat artifacts, and then the name of the holiday. Decorate it however you want. On Book Creator or on a poster, the same thing. I want all of the information that you have collected. That's why you are writing it on your notebook. Okay? I can't wait to see. If you want to work on a project together, you need to tell me and you need to explain how you're doing that, because I'm not opening the collaboration on Book Creator. So you cannot both of you sit unless you're sitting in someone's house. But you cannot work from different houses on the same book on Book Creator. So tell me how you're thinking of doing that, okay? Bye.